Hi, Claudia here. Today I'm gonna have an announcement. It's not gonna be a video, but it's a huge announcement for me. So I was invited to participate to collaborate with a group of crafters, and this was hosted by Crafty Dragon Creation and Creativity Paper Artisan. So this is going to be for October. We're gonna have crafters doing different things. We're gonna have week 1 the journal cover, week 2 the signature, week 3 embellishment, and week 4 binding ideas and complete the journal. There are gonna be freebies every week, and at the end we're gonna have a prize for all of you that complete the journal with us. So one of you are gonna be the lucky one. And so to participate, you have to subscribe to each one of the channels. You have to comment, and you have to answer a question that we're gonna have during the video. And with each answer, there will be a drawing for a prize. I'm sorry, I'm new in this. I hope you understand my ideas. And we will have the Facebook pages, and all the information, I promise, is going to be in the description box. And I'm gonna mention the name of the crafter so you have an idea who's gonna be there, but you can check for the channel in the description box. I'm gonna put it there. So we have Stacy from Crafty Dragon Creation. We have Karin from Creative Paper Artisan, me from Claudia's Crafty Happy Place, Val from Val's Craft Creation, Samantha for Maggie Printable, Lisa from Sunset Maple Studio, Santhini from Sannie Creation, and Vanessa from Clemons Crafts. And I'm gonna give you a sweet and fast pick on the 2 kits that we're gonna be using. They are gonna be in each one of their in the store at 30% off. This one is from Creative Paper Artisan, and this one is from Crafty Dragon Creation. So let's start one by one, just to so you have an idea what is in. So this is the journal, and I'm gonna do a fast flip just to show you. The paper is beautiful, all the pages are fabulous. I don't know how I'm going to which one I'm going to use or how I'm gonna mix it, but you will see the paper there because the color are fantastic. And this this collaboration is called OctHygge. So OctHygge is like coziness, you know, anything. As you can see, this lady, she has a candle and is reading the book. I will have a hot chocolate reading the book, like here. And so the idea is, I think this is Swedish or Irish, I'm not sure. So those are the book pages, those are the background pages. that we can use to decorate anything. All of them have envelope. Look at this. Isn't this cute? We have tickets. We can use this as a belly bands. We have tags and pockets. More pockets. We have tabs, different one. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Look at the colors. This is fantastic. More tabs for the tags. More tags. Corner pockets. Labels. And those are the fussy cuts. So this one is from Crafty Dragon Creation. I say the right name. And it's beautiful. So I'm gonna put the link in the box description so you can go and check it out. It's gonna be 30% off. I think it's worth it every penny. And this one is from Creative Paper Artisan. So let me start here. Oh, I put this one. Okay. So those are the the fussy cuts. I just put it in the inverse, but that's okay. So we have tags, envelopes. They are beautiful. Look at this. They are beautiful. We even have paper clips to make paper clips. So these are the pages for the journal. Aren't they beautiful? Oh my goodness. I'm telling you, I have no idea how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna use all of them one way or another. Remember, those are in their store, Etsy store, 30% off for this event. And we want you to tag along, make it with us, and share, because if you share, you are entering in the final price, because the freebie are gonna be in the description box. And those are the background. Look, oops, look how beautiful they are. So if you buy the kit, you don't need anything else, just your imagination to proceed. Okay, well, I hope you like it, because like I said, they are fantastic. They are worth every penny, and they are 30% off. So the only thing that you need to do to participate is subscribe to each one of the channel, leave a comment, and share your progress for each week. You see, I will put those on the description box too, but you will see they at the end of each week, and it says you, and this is you, my dear subscriber. Okay, so I hope you like it, and you can share with the hashtag capital OCT capital HYGGI 2023. Okay, let's get cozy and let's get working. See you soon. Bye.